So let's talk about how to get your milk supply up, okay? So first of all, my milk supply started going down when I was on pain medication for my hand, which it is healed a lot better. Along with wasn't drinking enough water, wasn't eating enough. And I also wasn't pumping regularly enough. And all of a sudden my milk supply was going down. Not as much was coming out when I was pumping. He was sucking on the boob and like being frustrated, like, where is the milk? And I started freaking out, like, oh my gosh, no, my goal is to breastfeed him for minimum 18 months. The goal is 2 years, but minimum 18 months. And he's only almost 6 months. So the solution, y'all, hydration. So now I drink at least a gallon of water a day. So this is a 32-ounce water bottle. I go through it at least 4 times, sometimes more. I also make sure to drink water immediately after I breastfeed him. And now I'm pumping currently 1 time a day because he's at daycare for 20 minutes, both boobs. But I'm going to increase that to 2 times a day and schedule a pumping session within your schedule. Right now, mine's been more sporadic. It's usually around 2 o'clock, but I'm planning on adding another one at 11. So 11 and then around 2 or 3. And then another solution too, if you're able to, pump after baby feeds. So that way it's supply and demand. So if your body is thinking it needs milk, it's going to produce milk. Other solution, I invested in liquid gold pills. These are on Amazon. There's a sticker there, sorry. But these are liquid gold on Amazon. I'll attach the link below, along with alfalfa. Alfalfa is a supplement that's known to increase milk supply. Also, another great supplement is moringa. If you haven't gotten moringa, highly recommend this. It also comes in tea form, so I also have green tea / moringa that I drink, along with mother's milk, which I ran out, so I can't show you. And then also collagen. Collagen, you can add this to water, you can add this to coffee, you can add this to your oatmeal. Also, oatmeal. Oatmeal, good fiber, flaxseed. So I have an awesome oatmeal recipe where I have my oatmeal, I put walnuts, flax seeds, some berries, either blueberries or strawberries. I add the collagen. I also add some oat milk and this vegan sugar, I forget the name, but I'll share an image here. And I add that as well. It's all natural sweetener, by the way, no calories. Not that calories matter. You need more calories when you are breastfeeding. So I started eating oatmeal every single day to help increase my milk supply. I've also increased my meals every single day. So I'm making sure I have 3 solid meals with 3 good snacks. My snacks are usually nuts or yogurt with fruit, but I love to snack on like almonds and walnuts throughout the day. And again, lots and lots of water. And so with doing that, my milk supply has started to increase. Rewind, because my milk supply had gone down, I had started my period and I freaked out. And that is a sign that your milk supply is decreasing and now you can get pregnant. But you can also get pregnant without your period coming. So ladies, still practice safe or get on birth control. I'm taking a mini pill. But going back to milk supply. So my milk supply went from this to this within 1 week. 1 week because I was very consistent on adding these into my daily regimen. Hydrating at least minimum gallon of water a day, having oatmeal for breakfast every single day, making sure I'm getting 3 solid meals with 2 solid snacks, also adding collagen and drinking the teas, and just being very mindful and setting my intention to produce that milk. If you're stressed, you're not gonna be producing milk. So I started meditation again, journaling, exercising, which I'm currently just doing walking 30 minutes 3 times a week. The goal is to increase that to every single day until I can lift again. But if you add these into your routine, more water, solid nutrition, supplements, along with, almost forgot, pumping a minimum of 2 times a day. If your child is not with you, make sure to be pumping for at least 20 minutes. That's attaching both the pumps to your breast for the 20-minute duration. And you do all that, put that recipe together, and you should start producing milk. So if this formula works for you, let me know in the comments below. Or if you have another trick that you did to help increase your milk supply, let me know. But all in all, breast milk is awesome for a baby. And even if you're not doing breast milk, formula is okay too. Whatever works for you, mama, okay? But that is the tips to help increase your milk supply. Hope you loved it. Please like, please share, please subscribe, and I shall see you in the next video.